Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Bella. So I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you for joining my family. Thank you for joining this channel. In this channel you will find actually anything about hair, beauty, DIY and lifestyle. So today's video is about okra juice for my ladies. Yes, for my ladies. Time to time, last time I did a okra juice, but it was raw okra juice, and I got so many questions. Actually, if you have not watched that video, go ahead, watch this video. It's right here, or I'm gonna put it right here or right here. Actually, I got a lot of comments on that video on how long to drink, how many times I have to drink you have to drink the juice, or if you're pregnant, do I have to still drink the juice? Or so I'm gonna answer all those questions, and I'm also gonna make a different kind of I'm gonna show you a different way of making okra, and you don't have to drink it raw. So this one really it's for people that are pregnant, or people are so disgusted with the stickiness of okra. But in all this video, it's for you guys, because time to time we ladies, we say, oh, I'm doing this for my man, I'm doing that for my man, but we forget about ourselves. So let me tell you this, that you doing this for yourself, because once you're confident, you pretty much can do anything. So whether your man is there or not, you're confident, you're healthy for yourself. So I'm doing this to show you ladies how to be confident, okay, when you having intimacy with your man, especially for women that struggling, that having problem of dryness down there. I know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of women have that problem. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it in a nice ways, because okra has so many nutrients. It's very important for your body, that it does so much in your body, but you need to know how to cook it. So really, you don't cook okra you don't cook it too much. It has to be like in the middle. You don't make it like soup, like cook it for an hour or 30 minutes. That's way too much. Like cooking okra, you have to make sure that you just like soft heat, low heat, and make it quick, like 5 or 10 minutes you take it out. So I'm gonna show you. It's very simple, and for you ladies that are pregnant, that still have problem down there, this is for you. And for also the ladies that are discussed with the stickiness, because the last video I got so many questions. So that stickiness, actually, that's the thing that it's really that you need. That's the thing that you need in okra. That's the thing will make magic down there. Yes, so you need that. So you make sure that when you cook it, you don't overcook it, because you need that stickiness. You need that. So without further ado, without wasting all your time, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make it. So please stay tuned, watch this video until the end, so you can see how actually I make okra. It takes literally 5 to 10 minutes and you're done. But before we do that, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. I don't know, lady, I don't know what you're waiting for, but go ahead, subscribe, and to support your girl, and so I can do more videos like this, and also turn on the notification button so you'll be notified every time I post my videos, okay? And also share with friends and family. You never know, your friend that is out there, maybe she's going through a lot, she's going through the same problem that you're going, maybe you have not discussed about it, but by sending her this video, it's gonna help her as well. So go ahead, spread the news, positive vibes, send it to your friends, to your family, so we all can be good, we all can be confident in bed when we're having intimacy with our men. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. So as you can see, I literally just picked my okra from the store, and beside the main reason why I'm making this video, which is to help you guys, to help you, my beautiful ladies, that who's having problem of dryness when having intimacy. So beside that, I'm gonna go ahead to show you, actually, to let you know what's the benefit of okra. But before we do that, as you can see, I cut my okra in two, and I remove the top and the bottom part of the okra and I wash it. But when you're washing it, please do not leave it in the water for long. Just wash it and take it out from the water, because you don't want water to absorb all the nutrients from the little parts of, of the okra. So because you need that. And we also need just need tomatoes, onions, and garlic. So before I go ahead and show you what exactly I'm doing while I'm cutting my onions, making all my ingredients ready, I'm gonna let you know, guys, about okra. Okra might be easy to overlook in the produce section, but don't overlook it in your health and weight loss regimen. Okra pack impressive amount of nutrients into its little pads, and the one main thing, it keeps you feeling full. Like when you eat okra, you really don't want to, you don't feel like eating anything else. It's great for your digestion. It's low calorie food, like it's low calorie food. It helps control your cholesterol level, and it's a cancer fighting, like it really helps you to fight cancer, as you can see now. So you just need a little bit of olive oil, and you go ahead add your, once the oil is a little bit hot, go ahead add your ingredients. And you want to make sure that you cook the ingredient thoroughly. Once it's really cooked, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your okra. Do not add your okra before the ingredient is cooked. It's well done. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that my ingredient is cooked. As you can see now, it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my okra. Once I add my okra, I'm gonna cook it for good 8 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Not more than that. You have to be close, to your pot. Like, make sure that it doesn't burn, and make sure that you don't overcook it, because it has to be tender, and you want to make sure that those stickiness is still there. As you can see, that's my dish. It's ready to go. So yeah, the way you cook your okra matters. So our okra is ready to go. So like I said, I first cooked the ingredients till it was like cooked, and then I go ahead and add my okra, and I cook it for a good 8 to 10 minutes until it's tender. So yeah, so it's time to eat it. It looks like this. It's so yummy. It's really good. So like I said, it really matters the way you cook your okra, because if you overcook it, you're killing all the nutrients, you're killing all the vitamins, everything, you're killing it. So it's not gonna do anything. So make sure you cook it until it's tender. 8 to 10 minutes, that's max. And it tastes so good. Some people might add whatever you want to add. You can add chicken, or you can add fish if you like fish. But before you add fish or chicken, make sure the fish is cooked already and the chicken is also cooked. You just go ahead and add it on the top and leave it for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then take it out, so you don't overcook the okra. Okay, but the way it is, I'm telling you, it is really, really good. And if I have to answer all your questions, because some people ask question about how long you have to to eat this, or how long you have to drink okra juice, or the effect it's instant, or all those questions. So first question I'm gonna answer about how long you eat it. There's no like minimum time that you need to eat okra, because okra is just like vegetable, any vegetable that you eat. Look, so whenever you feel like eating okra, you can eat it. Okay, there's no side effect of okra, it's gonna like kill you or no. In fact, it's gonna help your health. A lot of people eat okra for diabetes or blood pressure. Like okra has so many benefits. Like it's not gonna kill you, it's only gonna make you stronger, and on top of that, it's gonna help you down there to stay juicy, no dryness anymore. Okay, so you can eat it whenever you want. And the effect of okra, it's actually for down there, it's like you drink it today and today you're in action, trust me, you see the difference. Okay, you see the difference right away. It's not something that you eat today and then tomorrow and then you waiting, oh my god. No, it's like that. Like I'm eating it right now. I really don't have a problem down there of dryness because I do eat okra, but for people that have problem by eating okra, you see the difference right away. Okay, so this recipe was for pregnant women. So because when you're pregnant, you really don't want to eat any raw food. Any raw food for pregnant women, it's not good because of the bacteria, especially okra juice. The way I make okra juice, again, check out the video, this video here. The way I make okra juice, I leave it over 24 hours overnight, and in the morning when you wake up, it's very, you know, sticky, whatever. So those stickiness, that's the thing that you need. So for pregnant women, for the fact that you're leaving it for overnight and it's not good and it's raw, it's not good for you. So this is good for you. You cook it for a good 10 to 15 minutes and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video like this, and I will see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.